How to block and remove ads from Facebook and Messenger. Blocking and removing ads on Facebook and Messenger can be a bit tricky as they are an integral part of the platform's revenue model. However, there are ways to limit the types of ads you see and reduce the frequency of them. And here is how to do so. Open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Now inside Facebook, scroll down and look for the ad. Scroll through your feed until you find the ad you want to hide. If you find an ad that you don't like, you can hide it and prevent similar ads from showing up in the future. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of the ad, and once you tap on it, you will get to see some options available on your screen. Now, from the options, select Hide Ad, and you'll be asked why you are hiding the ad. You can choose an option like I'm not interested in this or it is irrelevant, and Facebook will adjust its algorithm accordingly. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.